Hello guys, today I will be doing a drawing with the set of 48 Prismacolors. So these cost 40 Canadian dollars and it is 29 US dollars. I will be drawing Gotenks from Dragon Ball Z. Now without further ado, let's get started. Let's start sketching. So I am drawing his body right now. When I draw Dragon Ball characters, I have to remember to make the torso a little smaller than other anime characters. For example, you can see the difference in size between Goku's torso and Naruto's torso. A tip is you should first make a rough sketch with shapes because it will be easier to later on in the drawing to add details like the face, the hands, the clothes, and everything else. This is an original drawing, so I didn't use reference. This pose is not from the show. I also drew the clothes differently. I am now adding a mechanical pencil to make the drawing darker and to add details. I hope you enjoy the sketching process. The next voiceover will be when I begin to color. I am finished inking and now I'm starting to color. So the things I liked about these color pencils were that they were really easy to blend and they got a lot of pigment out of them without pushing down too hard. The things that I didn't like about these color pencils were that they were really waxy, so it was hard to layer. Also, another thing that I didn't like about them was that they were really smooth, so you couldn't get a lot of details with them. Hope you enjoy watching this drawing, and I'll see you in my next one.